the trams are, etc. Look, there's some cameras there. Straight ahead of us. In the subway, there's some cameras there. Just want to go this way for a minute. We're heading towards the main Glenelg tourism hotspot, and there's an excellent museum to the right there, just off the jetty. We've got very clean toilets too. As we come around the corner, just here, yeah, be aware you can't park there between midnight and 6 a.m. Turn here. Okay, the trams come here, etc. But let's have a look. Be careful here. We've got Durham Street, looks fine. Lots of people walking everywhere. And then, what railroad is this? Oh, you got cameras there. What street is this? This is Sussex Street. Got cameras there on Sussex Street, Durham Street. Just passing Seoul Street. And you got cameras here too, which is, what street is this? Don't know what street this is. Whatever street that was. Well, they got cameras on almost every street. And this street is Waterloo Street, and looks like they've got a 360 camera and some other camera there too. Let's see. This is the tram stop. By the way, trams on this road, Jetty Road, are all free. Okay, so you can get on and off if you need to. And there's a camera here on Cowper Street. Wow, there's one there. Okay. Far out. How many cameras is that? Okay, so we're coming to the traffic lights here. And these traffic lights, what street is this? This is, what street is this? What's it say? Can't tell. Couldn't see it. Oh, there's a camera just there too. Wow. I just saw another camera there. Far out. And then... oh, another camera here, Rose Street. I think they've got a camera on every single street. Now, if a rideshare driver was coming here, where were they meant to park? Wow. Hey, there's a camera at the top there too. Wow. Okay. So if someone wants to be... oh boy.